Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today we're going to be going over these not your own little pillows. This one is a cute avocado and it's 16 inches long. They kind of get small because you have to add the stuffing and they shrink a little, but these are really cute. And this one is not your own taco, and today we're going to be working on the taco. So let's open this one up. Let me show you. Okay, so inside when you open it, you'll find the ingredients, and then you'll find two of these rolls. They're white, and this is a stuffing. Yeah, I know, it had me a little puzzled at first too. I was like, what is this? I don't know, maybe I'm just slow. And then you'll find the instructions. Okay, so it says here to find a flat surface and then the large piece of yellow fabric. Okay. Fold your fabric with the fuzzier side of the material. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna lay out the stuff here. I'm gonna actually open this up right now for our ingredients because the yellow cloth is in here, the taco shell. And now we're going to lay this out. So right now what I'm doing is I'm looking for the face, and at first I thought I was gonna have to use a glue gun, and I was like, oh no, I don't even have the glue gun with me right now. But if you notice, it has this sticky thing. You just peel it off and you stick it on, so it's very kids friendly. Of course this does have small pieces, so maybe, you know, older than like 5, a kid that won't put stuff in their mouth. And so now we have to tie the stuff. I actually thought again we were going to sew this on, but no, we actually knot it. And I mean, it makes sense. It says knot your own taco, and so I was like, oh my god, it makes sense. So here we are now, figuring out how to knot. So what you see me doing here is I'm trying to attach the cheese. Yes, that's supposed to be a cheese. And I'm a little bit confused as how I'm supposed to add the cheese, but then I noticed that it has little slits in the middle, and you're just gonna put that through and then tie it together with the back one, and you do the same with every single one of them. The only thing that I noticed is that the meat doesn't have those slits, so I just kind of stuffed them in there, and you'll see me do that in a bit. So once you get about 6 inches in opening, you'll want to get your stuffing out, and you want to stuff that little taco in, because, well, yeah, you don't want the opening to be too big because then the stuffing will come out all over the place, and then you don't want it to be too small where you can't even like properly stuff the ends, you know, because the taco is kind of like pointy at the end, so you want to make sure that you can define those ends. Okay, and once I finish stuffing this taco, I'm going to keep knotting the same way I started so I can complete my taco. And there you have it, the finished and final taco. It actually came out way better than I thought it would. It actually looks like a taco, and I was really happy with the results. I would say I would give this a 5 out of 5 in easiness and a 5 out of 5 in cuteness, and the instructions were very easy to follow. And now here he is with the rest of his gang, his new family, and there you have it.